Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Android speaker volume louder. So make sure you will have Android device as well and just swipe up, and as you can see the settings option right over here, just tap on it as well. Now you will see the sounds and vibration option, just tap on it, just find the volume option, tap, and make sure you will be just have the media volume limit maximum. After here you will see the media volume limit, so turn it on firstly, and custom volume limit set to maximum high, and again just turn it off. Now go back as well, and as you can just scroll down, you will see the sounds, quality and effects. Just tap on it as well, just tap on it for the equalizer. So from here you will be just choose the pop-up or classic, jazz or rock or custom. So it will be just make your Android speaker volume louder as well. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.